Getting a professional logo doesn't require design skills. You just need the right shortcut. Today, I'm showing you exactly how beginners can get a high-quality logo without doing any design work. Most beginners struggle with logos because Canva templates look generic. Photoshop is overwhelming, fonts never match, colors clash, and everything ends up looking unbalanced. But here's the beginner shortcut. You don't learn design. You don't learn the software. You let a trained designer do it for you. You simply browse designers online, pick a style you like, send a short message with your brand name and colors, and they create your custom logo. You can request changes until it's perfect. A designer handles everything you struggle with: the color palette, typography, icon creation, spacing, layout, balance, and delivering high-resolution files. This method saves beginners hours of frustration and gives you a clean, trustworthy logo that makes your brand look real and professional. I put my recommended designers, all under $30, on my YouTube channel homepage. Just tap my bio or visit my link tree to see them.